This is Iron Trader. It is Thursday morning, so as usual, we are going to review crude oil here and natural gas. Now, the natural gas EIA report will be out at 10:30, and the rig count for crude oil and natural gas will be out at 1 p.m. on Friday. This video is for information purposes only, not a recommendation to buy, sell any stock, commodity, ETF. Thanks for watching. All right, here we have crude oil, daily chart. Okay, now, if you look at our price channels here, you got 75.06 on the top, 67.03 on the bottom. That's a nice trading range, okay? The 67.03 is from this double bottom here that I've been pointing out, right there, and on this candle here. Very, very nice. Now, it rallied right on up here into the OPEC meeting over the weekend and then pulled back and put a bottoming tail. Now, it's sort of putting in higher highs here, which is very good. So what we want to do on the upside is we first of all want to watch this key 50 SMA here. You're sitting at 74.80, and then we want to go to the price channel. You're sitting at 75.06, and then we have your 100 SMA here sitting at 75.46. Now, obviously, a close above. Your target here is 79.25. That is your 200 SMA. Now, key support levels here is your 21, 71.70, your 8 SMA here at 71.01. Now, if that is lost, then we go to the bottom of this candle right here. This is sitting at 70.13. Okay, and then we'll go to the top of this candle here. You're looking at 69.69. We look at the bottom of this candle here. You're looking at 69.02, and then you have your big retest here at 67.03. But as long as this 21 SMA here and this 8 SMA hold, that's a good support level here for the price to go up and tag this key 74.80, the 50 SMA. Let's take a look here on the weekly and the old monthly. Okay, weekly chart. Key support level here is the 200-day 67.30. If that's lost, we look to the bottom of that candle, 65.38. 64.36, and then your big retest there is 63.64. But the 67.30 is going to be very, very key level on a closing basis. Now, upside, watch the 8 SMA. You're looking at 73.22. You're looking here on your 21 SMA here. You're looking at 75.43. A close above your target, 81.99. Your 50 SMA, and then your price channel sitting at 83.53. On your monthly chart here, just sideways action. Of course, it takes a whole month to make it. So you have 66.13. That's your key support. Watch this key 200 SMA here. That's going to be very, very key level here on your monthly chart here. Let's see, we can pull her up. Yeah, there we go. 72.75. That is a very, very key level here. And again, if you can close above, then we look at this 8 SMA here. You're sitting at 76.24, a close above that, and you got your 21, 85.68. Okay, so be very, very patient. So just trade the range, trade the price channels here until we either get a breakout or a breakdown. All right, let's take a look here like an old natty gas. Okay, natty gas. Nothing really has changed here, just sideways action. The key is watch these two price channels. 2.685 on the top. 2.136 on the bottom here. Okay, now for your support levels here, the first one we want to look here is at this 21 SMA here. You're sitting at 2.33. We want to look at the 50 SMA here. You're looking at 2.25, and we want to look at this 8 SMA here. You're looking at 2.65. Those two they're all jammed up pretty tight here. So those will be your support levels, and if they're lost, then we look at the 2.136, and then we start at the bottom of these candles here, 2.03 here, and then we go all the way down to 1.946. Okay, on the upside here, you want to look here at this key 100 SMA. It's sitting at 2.42. If you can get above, then your big target there is going to be 2.68. A close above this, there's your 200, 4.45. Okay, but right now, basically, it's the same thing as I've been talking about here for months. Small scalps. I trade BOIL for long, KOLD for the short. Right now, last 2 days, I've been just scalping BOIL, BOIL, because it looks like it's is trying to get some juice here. And when you see the price channels move on up, it moved on up from 2.03 to 2.13. It looks like it's trying to create a bottom here of a higher low. All right, I'll have more for you this here later today, right around pit close. Thanks for watching.